Title: Debunking the Necessity of Experience. A deep dive into entry-level requirements across professions. Introduction. One of the most enduring myths in job hunting is the belief that experience is the key determinant of employability. This has traditionally shaped the employment landscape, with potential employers often insisting on significant experience for many job roles. However, a closer analysis reveals that this is not always necessary or even beneficial, particularly for certain roles such as office jobs, engineering positions, technicians, factory workers, and general labor roles. Let's delve deeper into the nuances of these roles and debunk some misconceptions surrounding the necessity of experience in these job categories. A. Office jobs, the myth of experience. In the context of office jobs, particularly those involving clerical tasks, the traditional focus on experience may be misplaced. Many clerk positions should only require a high school background, as the skills needed for these jobs, filing, data entry, basic computing, and communication, are typically covered in high school curricula. Moreover, these roles often involve proprietary systems or procedures unique to a particular company, necessitating on-the-job training regardless of previous experience. In this case, an employer's emphasis should be on potential employees' adaptability and eagerness to learn rather than on prior work history. B. Engineers, the importance of regulated training. For engineers, a reliance on previous experience is even less justified. Engineering programs are designed with applied practical skills in mind, rigorously testing and verifying students against exacting standards. Being a regulated profession, employers should trust in the regulatory body's vetting process and be willing to hire freshly graduated engineers. These new hires bring the latest knowledge and methodologies from academia, which can often be a significant advantage in an ever-evolving field like engineering. C. Technicians, on-the-job training as a necessity. When considering technical roles such as computer or phone technicians, it becomes apparent that experience can only be gained on the job due to the specialization of the work. These roles often involve a wide variety of equipment and practices that cannot be learned in a classroom environment, thereby making on-the-job training not just beneficial, but essential. This highlights the importance of employers' willingness to hire newly certified technicians and provide them with the opportunity to learn in a practical environment. D. Factory workers, the role of basic education. Factory worker roles typically do not require professional qualifications and should only necessitate a high school education. These jobs often involve performing repetitive tasks that require physical stamina and attention to detail rather than extensive job-specific experience. Employers usually provide training specific to the role, making the ability to follow instructions and work as part of a team more critical than previous experience. E. General labor, valuing flexibility over experience. General labor positions are similar to factory worker roles in that they are not skilled positions and should only require a high school education. These jobs often involve physical labor and a range of tasks, thus valuing flexibility and a strong work ethic over specific job experience. Employers typically provide any necessary task-specific training, further emphasizing the limited value of prior experience in such roles. Conclusion. The prevailing notion that high training and experience requirements are necessary for all or most jobs may be an exaggeration and potentially an unfair generalization. This perspective can create a vicious circle, especially for new graduates or those looking to shift industries, who find themselves unable to get a job due to lack of experience, and unable to gain experience due to lack of a job. A more nuanced understanding of the skills and attributes required for different roles will allow employers to make more informed hiring decisions, ultimately benefiting both their organizations and the wider labor market.